Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today for me is an exciting video because it is like it is a Ulta slash like Walmart haul, and it's like first impressions. So I'm really excited because I bought some things when Ulta was having that like 21 days of like Ulta beauty sale or something like that. I don't know what it's called, don't like quote me, I don't know. So I bought some things, and I bought some things at Walmart because there were some things in Ulta that I couldn't get. Well, I could have gotten, okay, yeah, never mind. I just got it when the sale came, so that's why I bought it. And then like I went to Walmart and bought more stuff because like I was being really impatient. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I got was this ECOTOOLS Total Perfecting Blender. It says that it's best with liquid and cream foundations. I can't talk right now. So this is like, I think it's like $4 or $5 or $3 or $4. I'm not really sure, don't quote me, originally. And when the sale was here, it was $2.99, I believe. So I'm going to open this and then I'll come right back. This is what the sponge looks like without it being wet. So I'm gonna go wet it real quick and then I'm going to see how big I get. So I'm super impressed with this sponge. Like, this is what it looks like when it is dry. I don't know why. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like when it's wet. It's super squishy. Like, I'm super impressed. Like, I can't wait to try it. The next thing I bought was the Wet n Wild face photofocus face primer matte base. I got this at Walmart. I got this primer at Walmart. So yeah, so I'm gonna just put like, I think that was too much, but we'll see. It's okay guys, it's okay. That's why it's called a first impression. So the next thing I got is this Wet n Wild. Of course, if I had to get this, I had to get this. This I actually got online because they don't have my shade in Ulta, or like, yeah, they didn't have the shade in Ulta. And this was another product that was on sale. This was on sale and this was on sale. This is originally $5.99 on the Ulta website, but the sale, for the sale, it was $3.59 or $3.99, something like that. So yeah, this is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I am in the shade Caramel. Okay, so I just zoomed you in a little closer so you can see more or less how the foundation is. Definitely, oh my god, like I'm loving this foundation. Like, I know it's so soon to speak, but I think this is gonna be like my favorite foundation. Like, I don't know, it doesn't feel heavy. Like, it does not look cakey. It is like solid, like medium to full coverage. I don't know if it's full coverage just because I put so much, but like the color match is perfect. I'm really loving this foundation guys. Like, it's matte. I don't know if it's because of the primer, but it is matte. It's not tacky. Like, guys, I love it so far. So this is the Wet n Wild Focus Concealer, and I picked it up in the shade light medium beige, and this is a really small concealer. This is what it looks like. This is a really small concealer, but we are going to, you know, test it on our face right now. Honestly, I'm going to have to like try that concealer out with another like beauty blender, or my beauty blender, or my Real Technique sponge, or any other sponge that I have, because I don't know if it's the sponge, but like it kind of is like soaking in the foundation. It's like sitting on top. I don't know if you guys ever like had that like happen with your beauty sponges, but it looks like it's just, excuse me, it looks like it's just sitting on top. And then like when I'm blending it out, like I don't have no coverage. I don't know if it's because I'm used to my Tarte Shape Tape, but I can still see my dark circles, and it's like kind of getting me mad because like ain't nobody got time for that. And like no. Okay, so something that I didn't mention is in the description box down below, I'm gonna put everything that I got with how much it comes with. So if you're interested in like how much it comes with, just look in the description box below. I know my few like past videos I haven't put like nothing in my description box. I don't have a computer. I upload on my phone, so it's like kind of hard to like just copy and paste everything on the description box, but definitely I'm going to have everything listed down below, so check it out. So that concealer retails for $3.93 in Walmart, and that's where I got the concealer from. The next thing I got is this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I got this shade 001 transparent. I just gashed it like so bad. My nail just went in it. Damn. Okay, it's okay. And I bought a new powder. This packaging is like kind of... I bought a new powder because I'm running out of my NYX one, and I want to start trying new stuff. So I didn't want to buy like another NYX setting powder. So I'm going to just take the same powder brush that I use and set my face. Oh god. But I'm scared. Like I'm one of those people that are scared to like try new things. Oh my god. Okay, this powder kind of has a scent to it, and it's kind of giving me a white cast, honestly. So I can only imagine the flashback that this powder is about to give me. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna return it. Then I'm gonna take a smaller brush, or I'm gonna take this pointed brush and set my under eye. Guys, no. Okay, so the next thing I got was the NYX matte liquid liner. I needed a liquid liner in my collection because I had one, but it dried out. Like I had it for like almost a year. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So the next thing I got was this EYLURE Luxe in eyelashes in the style Opulent or Opulent, I don't know, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so this I actually got again when Sephora was having that, Ulta was having that 21 days sale thingy. So this originally was for $9.99. $9.99, remember that, right? So this was 40% off, and so it was $4 off. So it brought it down to $5.99. So I was like, heck yeah, because I ain't gonna spend $10 on a pair of eyelashes. Like, that's not happening. That's not happening. So the last thing I am super excited for, like so excited, you have no idea. I always wanted to get this product, but it was kind of like I could wait on that, you know, but no, they had it on sale. This is a Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this was 30% off. It retails for $9.99, and it was off for 30%, so it made $3 off, so it came out to $6.99. Still better than $10.99, but I've always wanted to try this, so let's see what it is. Let's see how, like, what it does. Wow, guys, this smells amazing. It smells literally like perfume, which I don't know if that's a good thing because you're spraying it all over your face, but it smells like perfume. Oh my god, it smells really good. I don't know how it's supposed to, like, what it's supposed to do. I got like a lot of them in, I got a lot of spray in my ear, but it's okay. It's supposed to, it's a 3-in-1 primes, corrects and sets, lightweight spray, locks and makeup to up to 16 hours, and it keeps color from fading and setting into. I am going to go and I'm going to see how everything wears, and then when it's done and, like, you know, when I'm 3 hours into wearing the makeup, I am going to give you my final thoughts and results on what I put on my face. So I will catch back up with you guys in a little 2:40 in the morning. Okay, so gotta hurry up because my camera, like I said, my camera's gonna die. So far I am loving the Wet n Wild foundation. I have no complaints. It's like good, it's full coverage, it's matte. I have no bad things to say about this. The primer I actually really liked as well. I have to keep using it with my other foundation just to see, because I feel like brands make the products for their own products, if that makes any sense. But I like the foundation, the primer. It had my face matte majority of the day, honestly. Like, I'm not even going to front about that. I don't know if it was like the primer or the foundation, but it looked pretty good. Okay, next, this concealer. I'm gonna have to keep trying it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to try it with another beauty blender or beauty sponge that I have, and maybe another foundation, because like I can still see a little bit of darkness in my eyes. You can't see it, but I can. So I'm gonna have to use this again just to see. Definitely didn't like the powder. Gave me a white cast. Actually, I took a picture with flash, and the flashback with this is horrendous. I'm gonna see if I can try to find the picture because I kind of deleted it, but I don't like this. I'm taking this back. I like the sponge. It kind of looks like it soaks up the foundation though, so I don't know. But it distributed the product nicely. It's soft, it's squishy. Honestly, I like it. I just have to keep using it. The lashes that I have on, they're good. I like them. They're wispy, they're long. They haven't came off yet, so I guess that's a good thing too. And then the last thing was the setting spray. I love the way this smells. Like, I don't know, like, I guess you'll see my highlight and a little bit of my bronzer and my foundation, of course. It's supposed to just make your makeup last. I don't think that it like has any type of finish. So I'm gonna keep using that just to see, because my NYX matte finishing spray usually leaves my face like super matte, which that didn't. So I would have to keep using it. Other than that, it's good. Like, I don't have no complaints. So yeah. I liked everything but this powder, so I do not recommend this powder, guys. Stay away from it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more videos like this, or like just like foundation or just concealer, like whatever you guys want to see, please just comment down below or let me know, because guys, like I say, like I try to interact with you guys, but you guys, like, some of you guys don't interact back with me, and I really encourage you guys to please interact with me. So I'm gonna go take this makeup off and go to sleep, because I gotta wake up super early tomorrow.